You guys are the best crowd in San Francisco. We love you. Everybody here that I work with.
This is not cool.
You got a ticket?
I don't fucking do this shit.
You got a ticket.
Fuck this, man.
You got a ticket.
I sent him over here at 2:07.
You got a ticket.
Dancing with brothers, still ain't no titties, but yo, I'm still a young man. I'm still a father, but I'm doing it big. Yeah, I'm trying to.
Can't believe you took the filter off, Brian.
What?
I said I can't.
All in my head. I'm higher.
This is where I feel my heart. It's in natural grace. It's in natural grace.
Look at those whiskers.
It's in natural grace.
Those whiskers.
It's in natural grace. It's in natural grace.
Natural high.
It's in natural grace.